Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about 10 drinks you can have right after waking up that will boost your metabolism, helping you burn fat more effectively. These are simple recipes you can enjoy in the mornings to prepare your body for the day and energize your metabolism, keeping your energy levels high. By choosing the right morning drinks, you can burn more calories throughout the day and keep your metabolism active. Starting the day feeling good and energized will set the tone for a more productive and pleasant day. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at 10 special morning drinks that help get your body moving, flush out toxins, and elevate your energy levels. You'll learn the effects, benefits, and preparations of each drink. Ready? Let's dive into these drinks that will start your mornings with energy. 1. Warm lemon water. Why it's beneficial. Lemon water is known for its positive effects on the digestive system. Drinking it on an empty stomach stimulates digestion, helping the stomach work more efficiently. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. They also help the body remove toxins, easing the liver's workload. The alkalizing effect of lemon water supports the body's pH balance and promotes clear, healthy skin. How to prepare. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water and optionally add a slice of fresh lemon. Drink this mix on an empty stomach in the morning. Add a few drops of honey if the taste is too sour. With regular use, you'll start noticing positive changes in your digestion. 2. Green tea. Why it's beneficial. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that speed up the metabolism and assist in fat burning. It also supports heart health, mental clarity, and has anti-aging properties. With compounds like E, GCG, epigallocatechin galate, it helps break down fat cells, giving you a natural boost of energy. How to prepare. Brew green tea for 2 to 3 minutes with water that isn't too hot, as excessive heat can make it bitter. Add lemon juice if desired. This tea in the morning will kickstart your metabolism and help you start the day feeling calm and energized. 3. Apple cider vinegar and honey mix. Why it's beneficial. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which speeds up metabolism and prevents fat accumulation. It's also gut-friendly thanks to its probiotic properties. Honey, a natural energy source, provides a quick energy boost and has antibacterial properties to support immunity. How to prepare. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water. Drinking this on an empty stomach supports digestion and boosts metabolism. Use it a few times a week as too much can irritate the stomach. 4. Ginger lemon tea. Why it's beneficial. Ginger has thermogenic properties that increase body heat and aid fat burning. It's also known to relieve nausea, ease digestion, and reduce inflammation. Paired with lemon, it stimulates digestive enzymes and boosts immunity. How to prepare. Slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for a few minutes. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add a teaspoon of honey if desired. This morning, tea will leave you feeling energetic and refreshed. 5. Cinnamon water. Why it's beneficial. Cinnamon balances blood sugar levels and boosts metabolism. It also reduces cravings and suppresses appetite, helping you feel fuller throughout the day. How to prepare. Place a cinnamon stick in a glass of warm water and let it sit overnight. Drink it first thing in the morning for a metabolism boost and natural detox. 6. Coffee. Why it's beneficial. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the central nervous system and speeds up metabolism, encouraging fat cells to release fatty acids for energy. It also contains antioxidants that slow down cell aging. How to prepare. Drinking black coffee without sugar in the morning is ideal. Limit intake to 1 to 2 cups per day to avoid overstimulation of stress hormones. 7. Green smoothie. Why it's beneficial. Green smoothies are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support digestion and boost metabolism. Greens like kale and spinach contain chlorophyll, which helps eliminate toxins. How to prepare. Blend a handful of spinach, a slice of cucumber, and half a green apple with a cup of water. Add chia or flax seeds for extra fiber. This smoothie will keep you full and balanced. 8. Peppermint Tea. Why it's beneficial. Peppermint relaxes the digestive system and has a refreshing effect that wakes up the mind. How to prepare. Steep fresh peppermint leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Enjoy a refreshing start to your day with peppermint tea. 9. Coconut water. Why it's beneficial. Coconut water is full of natural electrolytes and keeps the body hydrated while boosting metabolism and flushing out toxins. How to prepare. Drink a cup of coconut water before breakfast, ideally organic for the best health benefits. 10. Apple cinnamon water. Why it's beneficial. Apples are rich in fiber and support digestion. Combined with cinnamon, they stimulate metabolism and curb sweet cravings. How to prepare. Add thin apple slices and a cinnamon stick to a liter of water and drink it in the morning for a fresh, energetic start. Each of these drinks offers unique benefits that support a faster metabolism. Adding healthy drinks like these to your daily routine will greatly benefit your body. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment for more content that guides you on your journey to healthy living. See you in future videos full of health tips. Goodbye.